siya, pero yung kanyang pagkaka-setup, pwedeng-pwede sa track. Because FB Mondial was known for motorcycles na pang karera. So, start na natin siya. Be reminded na all stock to, guys. Wow, wow, wow. Ang forma, no? Dual exhaust. And let's sound check.